Hey everyone, since the last video on the Patrol I've done the alternator, I've done some additional extras now for the wiring. So I've basically run a twin core 6BNS wiring all the way to the rear for an Anderson connector, and I'll show you what I've done up the front here. Like I said last video, I've done a twin fuse here because I wanted to take one off that'll be another junction to whatever else is going on. So that cable one runs down. I'll spin you around here, and that goes into this fuse block here. I then go off to a redarc. This is just basically an old one I had lying around. Don't want to buy a new one of these anymore, just on a side note. I mean, I remember back in the day when these were real popular. Everyone was using them for an isolator, and they're like 110, 120 bucks each. Now they're by nearly, well, 180, 220, just depending on which one you want. So yeah, that's a big thumbs down for redarc there, geez. Anyway, off on a tangent, aren't I? Basically there's the twin core. At the other side of it, it's just going straight into the battery there. That basically runs down the chassis. I can show you. So you can see I've just basically run it down the chassis along the brake lines. It's basically all the way down the back. And I've just gone to just a Narva. It's a 7-pin flat with the Anderson plug. It's all just in one unit. It's pretty flat and flush, which is kind of why I've gone that way. And yeah, I think it's turned out all right. So yeah, it's just a short update because, to be honest, it's kind of hard to film a lot of this stuff, and it's, to be honest, it's not really the most entertaining, I guess, but it is what it is. If you enjoy my GQ build, don't forget to give a thumbs up. Jump on the shop if you want and buy a hat, that'd be appreciated. Become a member, you'll get some outtakes, bloopers, weekly updates, or whenever I update. There's a bit of members only content that I do, try and do on a regular basis. So yeah, thanks very much for watching. I'll see you on the next one.